Okay, they want you to graph the equation, or this is mine, g of x equals negative 3x plus 2. And part A says find one point on the line. Often it's smart to start with the value x is equal to 0 because multiplying by and adding 0 are easy. Good advice. So you're looking for the y-intercept because if you're on an xy axis, no matter what point you're at, and I'll just draw a few points here, like for example, this point right here, this has the coordinates of x is 0, y is 3. But if you're at this point right here, that is x is 0, y is negative 2. And if you're at this point right here, that is x is 0, y is 1. So if you let x be 0, you're really looking for the y-intercept. It's the point where your graph crosses the y-axis. So basically, I am going to simply substitute 0 right there. So this is going to be negative 3 times 0 plus 2. And of course, negative 3 times 0 is 0. That's what they were talking about. Multiplying by 0 is easy. And then 0 plus 2 equals 2. Adding is 0. Adding is easy. Sorry. So the point 0, comma, and then I just have to plug my 2 right in there. Part B then says, find a second point on the line. Often, it's easier to continue with the value of x is equal to 1 because multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything and then adding 1 is pretty easy. So that's what we're going to do. This time we're going to plug a 1 right there. So this is going to be negative 3 times 1 plus 2. Of course, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, and negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Now, I'm going to jump back to Mobius and plug in those numbers, 2 and negative 1. And 2 went here, and negative 1 went there. And then it says part C. Here's how to graph a line using the Mobius graphing utility. Click on the drawing line icon. That would be this icon right here. You can see that. Click. 2 points connected by a line above the graph paper below. That was this right here. Use your answer from part A and click on that first point on the graph paper. That was 2, right? 0, 2. So click on that. Okay, I'm clicking. Why is it not doing anything? You'll see a red dot when you click. Okay, I clicked on this. Click. Oh, okay, I guess I unclicked it. It was already clicked. And then my other point was when x was 1, y was negative 1. Click there. Ta-da! There's the line. I guess that's all I need to do. And then when you click how did I do, Mobius will compare your line to the right answer and will show you the 2 points that Mobius would have chosen. So come up here, click on how did I do. Okay, I got green here, I got green there, and they circled it in green down here. Oh, when I click on it, you can see over there, theirs matches mine. But points go on, or sorry, lines go on forever and ever in both directions. So somebody else could have picked x is negative 1, and then that would have given them positive 5, and they could have had a point right there. But it would still be the exact same answer. At least it should be. So anyway, oh, and then they show you the correct graph down there. So hopefully that helps you with how this whole tool works. So have fun.